Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset your iPad Pro M5. In order to reset your iPad, you have to go to the settings, open general menu in here, then go to transfer or reset iPad option, open it. Then if you want to reset your iPad, select reset. And here you can select which kind of reset you want to perform. You can either reset all settings, reset network settings, subscriber settings, reset keyboard activity, handwriting style, etc. If you want to fully reset your iPad, you have to select erase all content and settings, then continue, select erase iPad, then provide your passcode, and then wait until this operation is performed. I highly recommend connecting your iPad to the charging cable, especially if your battery is below like 80%, because this operation is gonna take some time for you. And that's how you perform a reset on your iPad. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.